Are you ready to unlock one of the most powerful tools in your financial arsenal? Imagine having access to money when you need it most, building your credit, and even earning rewards just for spending. That's right, I'm talking about credit cards. But here's the big question: how do you apply for a credit card? Stick around till the end, because I'm going to reveal a game-changing tip that could drastically increase your approval chances. Let's dive in. First, before you even think about applying for a credit card, you need to understand why you want one. There are hundreds of options out there, and each card has its own set of features, rewards, and benefits. Whether you're looking to build credit, earn rewards, or get cash back, choosing the right card for your goals is the first crucial step. Do you want to travel? Maybe a travel rewards card is for you. Looking to save on everyday purchases? A cashback card could be a better fit. Now that you know your purpose, let's talk about the credit card application process. The first thing you need to do is check your credit score. Your credit score plays a huge role in the approval process. If your score is in the excellent range, you'll have access to premium credit cards with low interest rates and incredible rewards. If your score is on the lower end, don't worry, you can still get approved, but your options may be more limited. Knowing where you stand will help you apply for the cards you actually qualify for. Next, let's talk about researching your options. There are different types of credit cards, so you want to make sure you're applying for one that aligns with your financial goals. Do you need a secured credit card to build or rebuild your credit? Or are you looking for an unsecured card with perks like cashback, travel points, or even 0% interest for the first year? Take the time to compare credit cards to find the best one for you. Websites like Credit Karma and NerdWallet are great resources to see side-by-side comparisons of different cards. Once you've selected the right card for your needs, it's time to prepare your application. You'll need to provide some key information. Personal details like your name, address, phone number, and date of birth are essential. Your income will also be a major factor in your application. Card issuers want to know that you can afford to repay any charges you make. They'll also want to know your employment status to determine your ability to make monthly payments. Having all this information ready before applying will save you time and ensure a smoother process. Now, here's where things get interesting. Credit card companies look at more than just your credit score. They also want to know about your debt-to-income ratio. This is a measure of how much you owe compared to how much you earn. The lower your debt-to-income ratio, the more likely you are to get approved for a card with a higher limit and better terms. So, if you have outstanding debts, it might be a good idea to pay some off before applying. This will help improve your chances of getting the credit card you want. Once you've filled out the application, you'll be asked to review all the terms and conditions. This is critical, don't skip this step. Make sure you understand the interest rates, annual fees, and any other charges associated with the card. Don't forget to look at the rewards program. How do you earn points or cashback? What are the redemption options? Knowing these details up front can help you avoid surprises later on. And now, here comes the bombshell tip. One of the most effective ways to increase your chances of getting approved is by having a co-signer. If your credit history is limited or not great, a co-signer with good credit can give the issuer more confidence that you'll repay the debt. This can be especially helpful if you're applying for your first card or if your credit score is low. Having a co-signer can make a massive difference in getting approved for the card of your choice, especially if you don't have an extensive credit history. Once you submit your application, the waiting game begins. Most issuers will provide you with an instant decision, but in some cases, it might take a few days for the approval process to go through. If you get denied, don't worry. You can always try again, but this time, look into the reasons why you were rejected. Often, they'll tell you what factors contributed to the decision, so you can take the necessary steps to improve your credit or financial situation before reapplying. But what if you get approved? Congratulations! Now it's time to use your new credit card responsibly. Remember, just because you have a high credit limit doesn't mean you should spend freely. Make sure to pay your bills on time and avoid maxing out your credit card. This will help you build a strong credit history and keep your credit score rising. Before we wrap things up, let's talk about credit card rewards. One of the biggest perks of having a credit card is the ability to earn rewards. Whether it's cashback, travel points, or even exclusive discounts, you can make your purchases work for you. But be careful, just because a card offers rewards doesn't mean it's the best choice for you. Make sure to read the fine print and consider if the rewards are worth any annual fees or high interest rates. Now that you know how to apply for a credit card, let me ask you this: what type of credit card do you think is the best fit for you? Comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights on managing your finances and making smarter decisions. You won't want to miss our next video, where we're going to break down the best credit cards for 2025 and how to pick the perfect one for your needs. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your credit journey.